Welcome to the Artland Academy. We are thrilled to introduce you to contemporary art. But what exactly does contemporary art mean? Contemporary art, broadly referred to as the art of today, more broadly includes artworks created during the late 20th and the early 21st centuries. However, the exact time frame for the start of this movement is still debated within the art world. The characteristics of contemporary art are difficult to define due to the variety and the length of the period. Let's give it a try though. Artists approach their work in multiple ways. A wide variety of new media and materials can be used to convey different concepts, themes, and subject matters. While in the past, artists were mostly influenced and inspired by religion, mythology, and demands of their customers, today's artists have more freedom, and their works often grow out of their own interests or expressions of themselves. Now the subject matter can include an artist's own culture, including current political climates and popular trends. Nonetheless, travel and globalization give artists the ability to integrate themes and topics far beyond their immediate worlds. We can now see art has become increasingly global and diverse in its themes. Thanks for tuning in today. If you want to know more or discover contemporary artworks, visit artland.com.